it rolling? Oh. Well, hey guys. Today we picked up a nice cab eye of round from the supermarket for $7. And today we're going to be making a roast beef dinner for 3 for under $10. Let's begin by looking at the ingredients. You have your onion, and your garlic, and your potatoes. Finally, we're going to put in a little bit of tarragon that we got from Kroger's for 50 cents, and that's all it's going to take today. So we're going to begin by cutting up the vegetables. The best way to cook is to have all of your ingredients ready to go as soon as you start cooking. So we'll begin by just halving the potatoes. The reason why we're halving them and not quartering them is because the roast will cook for at least 60 minutes. And if we quarter them, they'll get way too cooked. And same thing with the onions. It's almost like a stew that we're going to be making because it's cooking so long. We're just going to simply quarter them. Nothing very fancy. And we'll just simply take these, peel them apart. And then with the garlic, what we're going to do is we're going to sear all of this and put it all nice and together. So we're just simply going to cut it in half and not worry about it. Beautiful. Now time for our beautiful roast beef. Start by taking string. Try and make it start as middle at the beginning. As close to as half as possible. And the whole purpose of this is that we want it to be as uniform as possible throughout the entire thing. So we'll just simply take it. This. Twist it. This'll work, boys. I think I should restart this whole process.
No, that's fine.
No, it doesn't. I'm doing it wrong. Will you look it up how to do it really quickly, Amelia? How would you do you think? Just look up twine roast. Stringer roast or some shit. So we're going to start by putting a knot around this end. Tie that tightly. So go like this. Pinch it around here. Pull it around. And then just loop it right through. We'll finally do one nice coat around the center. And finally, with the loose string that we had from the beginning, tie it off. We'll go ahead, snip off any loose ends. Okay. Snip off any loose ends. And then finally, we'll apply a nice coating of salt. And you really don't want to be afraid to get all up in here because you gotta remember you're coating this entire steak and nothing on the inside. Of course, you gotta do the back. These will soak through the fat. And you want to put some pepper on, obviously. We're just gonna keep it simple. And again, massage it back down. And we are about ready to go. Next, we're gonna go to the stove and sear it. First, we're gonna start by setting our oven to 375 degrees. In the meantime, we have a piping hot pan of oil right here. and we're gonna just give a nice sear to the roast beef. We're gonna begin by putting a little bit of garlic right in there, paper and all, and just let that sit. And then next you grab your cheap Paramount, 50 cents, Paragon. You just place that right in there. Ooh, this is hot oil, good. And so that will infuse into the oil. Just let that soak up in there, maybe even add a little bit more. We're going to go ahead and place our roast meat side down. And all we're looking to do here is apply a nice little sear to this before we put it in the oven to give us a nice color. So let that sit about, I don't know, 40 seconds to a minute maybe. Maybe 2, we'll see. Just getting what nice color on there. Finally render the fat a little bit. And we'll let that sit right here for a minute while we prepare our pan. We'll take that off the heat. So a nice little trick I like is to just pour a little bit of oil and then take some paper towel and just rub it all across the pan, get it nice and even. Beautiful. It's important to put this fat side down, or fat side up on it, so that all that beautiful fat just juices on through. If it will stay. Alright, we do our best here. We might as well put the garlic on top. No, that'll probably catch fire. We can go ahead, arrange all of our onions and potatoes around. Try and get them evenly distributed. Beautiful. Now finally, gotta salt everything up for the veggies. And my favorite, pepper. Alright, and we're good to go. We're going to put this in the oven for about 60 minutes. We'll see you then. We'll put it in the this bad boy right here. We'll just wrap it up for a little bit, and that'll let the juices nice and creamy. Let that sit for around 10 more minutes. In the meantime, we can take our veggies off. Okay. Alright, Ninja, you ready? We're about to unfold this bitch. Oh yeah. Ooh. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and snip some of this shit off. We can't even. Just get that nice off there. Are you ready, guys? Here we go. First time roast by Henry. First time roast by
Cooking with H-Man.
Shit. Now let's dish this out for everybody. I'll make an example plate. Take a nice couple. No one will be upset with you when you give them this for free. Boom. Look at that juice. That's how you know it's good.